Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart OPPO F29. Alright, so let's get to work. In the beginning I will tell you that there are two methods how you can restart this device, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first and the recommended method when we have access to the phone, when it works fine, it's not lagging, it's basically responsive. It's a simple reboot using the power menu. To launch the power menu, let's tap the power and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. And now all you need to do is to simply grab that white ball, put it into the restart, then release your finger, and after that the screen will go black. And within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. But there's also the second method, just like I have said in the beginning, and it's called the forced restart. This method is recommended when the phone is lagging, or for example when it's frozen and it doesn't work properly. To do it, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the OPPO logo appears. Then we can release our fingers. So let's perform that action. Let's keep on holding. As you can see, the power menu launched, but we need to keep on holding. Okay, the screen went black. The OPPO logo appeared. We can release the fingers right now. And just like in the previous method, now you just need to simply wait until the phone will be turned on automatically and you are ready to use it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.